So selling a fixer house can be a little more challenging than selling a turnkey, ready to go, financeable house. It's easy to get a little stressed or worried or not even really know where to start and know what your options are when you're selling a house that needs repairs done. So in this video, I'm just going to share 4 things that I think are important for all sellers to know if you're in that boat and you have a house that's in need of some repairs. Number 1, common question I get, should I make repairs or should I sell it as is? When deciding what work you should or shouldn't do on a house, it's important to know that not all fixes, updates, and renovations are going to bring a dollar for dollar return. In fact, a lot of them aren't going to bring a return, and some of them might even cost you in the end. So it's important to know what you're doing. Number 2, disclosure. It's important to know that Oregon has a seller disclosure law that requires all home sellers, even sellers of fixer homes, to disclose what they know about the property. There are some allowable exemptions to this rule. Just shoot me a direct message if you want to know more about that. When we buy homes as is for cash or terms if that's more appealing to the seller, but there are no fees, inspections, disclosures, or commissions, anything like that. Number 3, finding the right buyer. Obviously, not all buyers are going to be super jacked about buying a house that needs fixing. Some will be, but most will not be because they need bank financing. So with a fixer, bank financing is most likely out unless they're approved for a fixer loan. So you're likely looking for a cash buyer, somebody approved for a fixer loan, or maybe you be in the bank where that's an owner carry contract. Number 4, do you list it or sell it direct? It's true most homes sell through the MLS, but a good chunk sell direct to investors as well. The way we work is pretty simple. We give you the information you're going to need, the current market data, estimated value. We evaluate the property for what kind of repairs it's going to need, and if it fits within our rehab parameters, simple enough. We just make you a formal offer, no hidden cost, commissions, or fees. If the selling direct isn't a win-win for us and you as the seller, as a licensed real estate broker, we usually will just flip it over and do a full service listing through the MLS and sell it the traditional way. If you have questions about this kind of stuff, you got a fixer home to sell and you want to talk about maybe what the options are, shoot me a direct message. I'd love to talk to you about that. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.